Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we will be trying on some wigs. So I have these two wigs here. I think the colors are absolutely beautiful. I've had them for a while, but I've never actually really tried to put them on properly. I've literally just whacked it on the top of my head and then either covered it up with a hat or cut the top of my head off for photos. But this time I'm actually going to really try it because I want to see what it looks like on. So these two are synthetic wigs, I think. So these were given to me by Eva Hair. From memory, they were about $100 and something each. But I will try to find them and put a link in the description down below. First thing I'm going to do is control my hair. So tie it up. I'm going to split it into two and kind of just pin it down in place because we want it to be as flat as possible. And then we do the same for the other strand. They give you this sock thing, you put it over the top. It comes with the mesh thing at the front and you need to cut that off. I've already done it with this one. Okay, so with these there's clips around, so you've got 1, 2, 3, and then you've got this thing that kind of hooks on like a bra strap at the back to tighten it. So these clips go underneath and hold the hair together. Okay, so with this you're kind of supposed to blend it in and glue the tape together so that it blends in with your hair. But the top bit is so puffy, honestly. I feel like this looks like a headband. Okay, I feel like the hair is not sitting right, so when I blend it, it still looks really funny. It feels great when the top half is cut out. But once I go down, it feels like a headband and I don't know how to fix it. I'm really digging this look and the color, but I can't seem to get it right. So this will have to be it. I'll just have to keep hiding the top bit. Hair makes me feel so badass. So I actually had this hair a couple of years ago and this wig always makes me miss it. And if I tie it up, it'll be a bit different. Alright, I think I'm done. If you guys know a way to get this fixed, please let me know. I feel like even if I put the glue on, I can't get this top half to go down anyway, so next. For this next one, I'm just gonna cut the mesh off. This color is so pretty. So maybe you can see the clips better in this one. So there's 3, 2 on the side and 1 down the middle, and it's got the bar strap thing again as well to clip it tight. Ooh. This hair's so long. See all the hair falling out as I brush it. I feel like an anime fantasy character, but also kind of Kylie Jenner vibes. just gotta fix it up a bit. So the top section of this is definitely a lot better than the other one. Like, it's kind of puffy as well, but it doesn't really look like a headband. I think because the other wig, you've got this dark layer underneath, so it makes it look like a headband even more. What do you guys think? I love the length of it. I wish my hair was actually this long. How about if I tie it back? Okay, this kind of reminds me of the Game of Thrones lady. Okay guys, I think that's enough for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any tips on how I can put these on properly so it doesn't stick up on the top, let me know in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.